Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lorcutt. So today I'm going to be talking about what is even going on in the world right now. You guessed it, coronavirus. So I was thinking about doing a get ready with me, and I hope you guys liked the little film thing that I did in the beginning. I was trying to make it like, okay, you're getting ready with me and let's go. Talk a little bit about what impacts this virus has made on the community. And first, I need to start off with some moisturizer. So I use Philosophy's Renewed Hope in a jar. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face first. So this virus has been pretty crazy in my community. In the state of Maryland, there has been 12 confirmed cases. One of the people that got the virus actually conceived it from someone else that hadn't been out of the country. He still got it. So they were saying that that was super crazy, and they declared a state of emergency. Then this all started on Monday last week. Then that night, I see a report saying that 10 of the students that went to my school are now quarantined because they went to a conference with someone that had coronavirus that they didn't know about at first, and then they got tested after the conference and they were tested positive. These students automatically went into quarantine, and we were really scared about it though because these students had gone to school after the conference, so there could have been a chance that they could be tracking coronavirus, and everyone was still going to school. People stopped going after this. Putting on e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer. It's cheap, but it's awesome. But anyway, so after that happened, everyone was like, okay, the school's gonna shut down. I think all the schools are gonna shut down. This is getting really serious. The spread of this is getting more contagious. And I know for a fact that the media is blowing it up like crazy, and I think honestly that it's a good thing because it's better safe than sorry. These countries overseas like Italy and China are going through a lot right now, and I should be super thankful to be in the United States, to be where I am right now. I think that we are taking the correct measurements and correct precautions in order to prevent all these other countries from having what China is like right now. The death rate is super high there. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyelid primer. So that happened Monday night at like 7 p.m. Everyone found it on the news. It kind of just popped out. My school was like, shit, what are we gonna do now? I go to class Tuesday, bright and early, 9 a.m., still no report from the schools. They're gonna be sending a report definitely by the end of the day because everyone is talking about it. Literally every single person that I passed in the hallway, I heard, coronavirus, ill, contagious, coronavirus. Like, it was every single person. I felt like I was in a movie, just like hearing it over and over and over again. I was like, holy shit, like, is the world ending right now? Like, I don't even know what's happening. So I'm actually gonna go on with my conspiracy palette because I stan Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, so I don't really know what I'm wearing yet, so I'm just gonna go neutral as of right now. I'm gonna do Diet Root Beer and Just a Theory. I go to class, still didn't hear anything, and I started hearing like, okay, they're sending out an announcement at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock was when my other class started, so right when class starts, everyone gets a I was like, oh shit. It's like everyone just starts like talking automatically when class starts. I was like, well, this is a little disrespectful to my professor, but I mean, I don't know, because I didn't want to read it. I heard everyone talking, so I was like, okay, obviously something happened. I open up my email in the middle of class, and it says, dear students, classes are canceled as of tomorrow. Spring break is starting early as we are preparing to teach remotely after spring break. I was just like, that happened so quick, and I honestly think that it was the best case scenario that we did do that, because I think that there's a lot of people at risk here. Even if you're younger than the statistics that people are getting the coronavirus, like younger than 60 years old or have like those pre-existing conditions, I still think that there's a very high chance that we could get this stuff, especially since a lot of people for spring break are going overseas or traveling of some kind. I think that they made the right choice, if I'm being honest. Shortly after that, I started seeing emails from every school pretty much saying that they started canceling classes on Thursday. There's a lot of people that are seniors and they want to live out their college experience, and like they're really upset about it, but I'd rather not be dead, you know? I'd rather not have anybody else in danger and taking extreme precautions and going to class every day being scared. Like, no one wants that. Right after class, they were saying that they were going to send us another announcement. And basically it said, everyone that lives in the residential part of campus also has to leave by tomorrow. I felt really, really bad for them because there's a lot of students that are out of state. They have to find a plane ticket home immediately, or they have to find somewhere to stay, find transportation, and I felt super bad for them. I was lucky enough to live like an hour away from my house, so I could just drive home. I went home that evening, and it's getting pretty serious. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Then we got another email the next day saying that after spring break, we were going to be doing classes online for like, I think a week or two, which is not bad. I think it's a really good idea, especially for those traveling, so they can just self-quarantine, because a lot of people don't even show symptoms at first. It's been a lot of stress here for sure. A lot of my friends are scared to go out of the house. You're always hearing something about the media. Of course people are gonna talk. That's why I'm here in front of you today, talking about it, spreading awareness. This is my personal experience. If you're sick, or if you even think that you have the coronavirus at all, or if you just want to self-quarantine yourself just for the hell of it, go for it. Going in with Stila, the liquid eyeliner. Bro, they're doing construction right next to my house. Are you for real? But I do think that this is a really good time for me to focus on video editing, focus on what I like to do the most. Honestly, this was my last semester of school anyway for right now. I haven't really talked about this, but this is, I guess, also get ready with me, talk about my life kind of thing. Originally, I was gonna drop out of school that semester, and I was feeling really lost. I changed my major like 6 times. I didn't even know what to do. Then I realized, I was like, you don't even need a degree to be successful. You need to go towards something that you're actually passionate about. I had things that I was passionate about, and it kind of just slipped, and I wasn't passionate about it anymore, and I didn't know what my passion in life was, and all I knew was that I loved creating. I love art. I love video editing. I've been on YouTube for over 8 years now. I stopped making videos for a while, and I put a lot of them on private because my editing skills back then were not good. Just no. It kind of just like occurred to me that this is what I want to do. I want to do video editing. It is my junior year of college. After this semester, I'm going to be dropping out. I'm going to pursue my dreams, and I'm going to try to video edit. I've already sent outreach emails. I've already contacted a lot of people, and it's been pretty successful, I would say. I could definitely try harder once I'm out of school for sure though, because I feel like being at school is wasting my time. It's not something I'm interested in, and I could be literally focusing on making my work better, getting more clients. It's just really hard for me because I just have to force myself to go every time I have class, when I'm just like, okay, I could be doing this, this, or this, and actually putting forth in my career, but here I am. At the same time, now we're online, so I think that I can focus on this a little bit more. I'm getting more equipment. You can see how this lighting is so much better. I think that I'm making the right steps. I feel like this is the right choice for me. Higher risk, higher reward. If things do not work out for any chance, but I'm a determined ass person, and I make sure I get what I want. So I don't think that's gonna be the case. I'll go back, get my bachelor's degree. I only have 1 more year of school left, and I'll go from there. Don't really know what it would be yet, because I'm not planning on it. I'm not planning for a plan B. I'm planning on doing this long term, making this my business. I hope you guys will eventually see that I am being consistent. I've been posting every single week, and I plan to keep it like that for a while. My niche is travel, and I know I haven't been posting a lot of travel videos. I feel like I've been posting more personal stuff, but I was planning on actually taking a trip to Costa Rica in May, and then it got canceled because of coronavirus. So I am definitely making plans for travel after this virus all dies down. I don't want to take any risks. As of right now though, I am going to be traveling out of state in May and June, so I'm really hoping that the virus just calms down. I want to make sure that this virus is completely cleared out before I go out of the country, because when I go out of the country, I'm going for a long ass time, and I'm going to be creating some awesome ass content for you guys as well. So yeah, just look out for that. I'm gonna do this off camera because I can't talk while I'm doing this. Alright, we're back. So, eyeliner is on fleek. You get the point. I am just gonna be doing personal videos, hiking videos as of right now, because that's all I can do until this virus goes down. I don't want to put myself in any danger. I just wanted to let you guys know what is going on. College is not for everyone. I know I actually previously made a video saying like tips for college students and solutions, and I mean that's still true to this day. At the end of the day, it doesn't define you. It doesn't define success if you get a degree or not. Your effort and your goals and striving to get there is what makes you successful. You're going to achieve anything that you put your mind to, and I'm super determined in the fact that if I take action, that I'm gonna find my way there. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been having some bad thoughts recently just about like the fact I'm gonna be a failure. In the end, I just need more experience, and I just need the people that are beside me to support me, because I know I have so much creative ability that I can do with my work and that I'm still learning to do. I'm learning something every single day, how to improve my skills. There's a lot of things that I'm just learning. That's totally okay. Usually my ideas involve travel, and I can't do that right now. So I still want to make content every single week, so I'm gonna find new creative ways to do what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys will like that. I hope you guys are staying safe. If you're staying inside, you're being safe, wash your hands, carry hand sanitizer with you. If you have a cough or any symptoms, stay inside. Alright, well, I am going to do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Okay. Okay, now for outfit. Alright, my camera is about to die, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press subscribe down below to see more content every single Thursday. Also, comment down below what you think about this coronavirus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye!